So, we will be discussing how to get more stories views on Instagram. Now, moving on to the first, stories are the great for promoting, also for announcement, interaction, and teaching. Stories are just a great thing. So, enhancing them can really step up for your business. Focusing on your goal. Your goal should be to get as many views as possible. Here's how you can get more views. Moving on to the first one, create and publish different types of content. Posting new post stories all the time is monotonous. Your audience won't always be excited to see what they can already show in your feed. Switching things up is that what you want. Try boomerangs, different filters, stickers, or even an interactive stickers. Second one, use stickers to engage with your audience. Stickers just attracts. As mentioned above, these stickers keep people longer in your stories and they are also fun and exciting. The best one you can use is voting poll and ask me questions, since these are the two shows your organic reach the best. That means it gives the greater audience retention time, increases the audience retention, and helps you in productivity in boosting your Instagram organically. Everyone just love surprises. So, moving on to the third one, surprise your audience with new content. Stories are an amazing way to express or publish talkers. A great way to increase your view is to surprise your audience by giving them a snack, giveaway pick, or what you want to do, which will be coming next on your page. A creative method to do this by using drawing pen or paper on your post cover. So, moving on to the fourth one, create a limited offer with a discount. People just love discounts. Instagram stories are a great way of promoting the business and promoting their discount sales offer. By be it sex, huge discounts or giveaways. After you reach 10k followers, you will also get the swipe up features to the badass which you even promote to your post. So these swipe up features will give a best performance as expected for your business. So maintaining the Instagram IG stories, IG post, and overall Instagram strategy helps in growing up your business level. So moving on, fifth, use geo tags but not the usual ones. Using the unique tags, that means using location in your stories, is such amazing. You get a ton more views from the region peoples, but our stories don't always appear after we getting them because of the greater audiences. Here's a trick. Use a snap and every specific locations. Click just a snap and use a very specific locations. This will help you to target more accurately. Sixth, using hashtags but only super targeted ones, not the basic ones. It's the same with the hashtags. Using highly niche specific and targeted tags that is super relevant to your content. This increases the chance of your stories to appear in the hashtags feeds, thus getting your content more relatable. So this helps using the hashtags, using the geo tags. Basically, tags helps in promoting and growing your business specifically to the global version. Now, the more views you get on your stories, the more chances are for you to get the new client for your business slash services. Therefore, the new followers and the more engagement on the future post. More more views and chances. These three are the key highlight words. I repeat, more views, more chances. Three basically highlight words: more views, more chances, and new business features. So growing your Instagram on the different level like IGTV level, stories levels, post levels, getting the greater audience retention, more organic followers, and so on will obviously lead you to grow in your business. That is all for today. Hope you guys do enjoy. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll be regularly updating about Instagram growth strategies, tips and tricks, digital marketing, Facebook marketing, email marketing coming soon. And you can check my playlist there, digital marketing series. I have explained all the related topics. I have also explained about the IGTVs and Instagram growth hack. So visit the playlist. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you the next time.